Hi, it's Lee at Craftsman Direct, and we're up on the roof. Our customer has asked that we take a look up here and make sure that the chimneys are sound. I happen to see this. I kind of just wondered what it was. Looks like a ceramic or something. But anyway, let me put it back where I found it. Oh wow, they're shingles. What a pretty roof. They don't build them like this anymore. But anyway, it's got a very nice uniform top, and yeah, see the screw here and here. We can tighten that, cap it. I don't do heights real well. Mortar line, and I want to see the front side. Actually, that looks pretty good. Bird's nest at some point, but that can be better. Let me see that one. Yeah, you can see all the, that's a stop leak, Henry's, and it's cracking. I'd like to put some more on it, and we can get that tighter, but it's hard because that's a ceramic material. There. The two pillars look good. I don't know that you could want for any better.
Okay.
But the metal, it's not attached very well.
Okay.
And we can get it tighter.
Sounds good.
Thank you, ma'am.